have been waiting for this feature on Higgsfield for months, and finally it is here. It is called Higgsfield Audio. What you can do, you can swap voice, change voice to any video, and even change language. And there are 10 built-in languages that will automatically lip sync your video. And I will show you how you can swap your voice. So what you will do, you will just generate a video, doesn't matter where. You can generate on Higgsfield, and I already created one with Kling 3.0. Here's the example.
Thank you. It's an honor. We worked incredibly hard, and
And here is the result.
Thank you. It's an honor. We worked incredibly hard, and
as you can see, it sounds a bit like me. First try, and it kind of sounds like me. I would say like 80-90% like me, in my opinion. And what you have to do, you upload the video, then you will just go here, change voice. Then you will select any voice you want. You can select your voice, but before then you will add the voice here. You will be able to upload up to 100 megabytes and 3 minutes, and you can also record on the spot. Then you will just generate. It will take you 40 credits, as you see here. Then you will just select your voice, change voice. It will take you 1 credit, and I already did it, and I will show you with another example. So for example, let's go to audio, and it will open this interface. Then you will select voiceover, change voice, or translate. Now voiceover just means you will write a prompt. You will select a specific model, and it will generate a audio from a text. And translate is just translate, but change voice. So let's upload a reference video. So this is an Google Flow VO 3.1 video.
Higgsfield just went full cycle. We're talking 21 voice presets, real resonant human tones.
So that's how it sounds. It should be looking like me, but VO 3.1 is not that good. So this is the image I created, and in the video it changes the face, so it looks a little bit funky. So the video is uploaded. Now you will just select the voice. I will select John Savage, change voice, and generate. It takes only 1 credit. I think it takes like 2 credits for 15 seconds and 1 credit for 8 seconds. So really, really cheap. And finally, you can do this in Higgsfield. You don't have to go to 11 Labs or any voice changer separately. And I was waiting for this for a long time. And finally, it is here. And let's wait when they basically improve this, because on 11 Labs you can actually get like 99% clone of your voice. Right here it doesn't sound as good. This is some lower model, but I'm most definitely certain that they will improve this, and they will add some next level models, and you will be able to actually swap your voice one-on-one, and then you will be able to do everything. Create image with Nano Banana Pro, then use Kling 3.0, or soon there will be most likely a Seedance 2.0, or choose Sora or VO, because you can choose everything in this app. If you want to join Higgsfield, the link will be below in the description. You can also use my referral link to get a discount. So yeah, everything is here. You can edit videos, edit images. You have everything in the one place. And if you don't want to spend credits on videos, you can spend credits on Nano Banana. You can spend credits on audio. And here is the video is ready. Let's hear the voice.
Higgsfield just went full cycle. We're talking 21 voice presets, real resonant human tones, right there in the workflow. No more export and pray. Higgsfield.
And this was the original.
We're talking 21 voice presets, real resonant human tones, right there in the workflow. No more.
So even if the voice is not 100% on spot, it is still more similar than the voice that it generated. And one more thing I want to show you is this. You can hear the background sound.
Thank you. It's an honor.
Basically the camera snapping, the flashlights going, basically many different background sounds.
Thank you. It's an honor.
As you can see, as you can hear, it basically keeps all the background sound, which is insane, and that's why I think this is a major win for the Higgs field. Many people don't like it, but I like it. I use it as my main tool, and this is just the first 20 hours, as you can see. They basically released this like 20 hours ago, so this is just the beginning. So Higgs field is a definitely do everything in one platform. And again, I hope you enjoyed this video. The link to Higgs field is below in the description. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha, AI tools like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.